Welcome to the Buyer Blueprint series from Top Hat Business Brokers, powered by Murphy Business Sales. In this episode, we're walking through the business buying timeline, what to expect, how long it takes, and how to keep the process moving smoothly from search to closing. Before we dive in, be sure to subscribe so you never miss practical tips and real-world insights for buying the right business with confidence. Most business purchases take 3 to 9 months. Some are quicker, some drag on, but it depends on the type of business, how prepared you are, and how complex the deal is. Buying a business isn't like buying a house. You're dealing with people, processes, and lots of paperwork. Here's a breakdown of the main phases. First, you search and request info, often via a non-disclosure agreement. Next comes communication with the seller, submitting an offer, conducting due diligence, and if needed, getting financing before closing the deal. Each stage has its own timeline and potential speed bumps. Delays are common, and many come from the buyer's side. Not submitting paperwork on time, waiting too long to make a decision, or not having financing lined up. But sellers can cause delays too, especially if their financials are messy or they drag their feet on communication. And financing? That alone can take 8 to 10 weeks if you're using an SBA loan. You can't control everything, but you can make your deal smoother. Start by getting pre-qualified for financing. Respond to emails and requests quickly. Ask smart questions early so surprises don't pop up later. And work with an experienced broker. It makes a huge difference in keeping deals on track. Before we wrap up, be sure to subscribe so you never miss practical tips and real-world buyer insights. To recap, expect a business purchase to take several months. Understand the major stages. Avoid becoming the bottleneck and control what you can, especially financing and communication. Patience and preparation go a long way. Want to stand out as a buyer? We can help you position yourself the right way, from your first inquiry to closing the deal. Do you want help navigating the buying process? At Murphy Business Sales, Top Hat Business Brokers, we help buyers find the right business, secure funding, and navigate every step of the acquisition process. Ready to explore listings and see what's possible? Visit tophatbusinessbrokers.com or connect with us directly to buy with clarity and confidence.